At Altair, we know that good data drives better decision-making. But when data scientists regularly spend more than 80% of their time making complex multi-source data usable, time to market and ROI can quickly fall behind. Altair Monarch is the industry's leading data transformation solution, empowering users across disciplines and skill sets to prepare accurate, trusted data sets in minutes instead of hours or days. For more than 30 years, Monarch has helped global organizations transform difficult-to-use data into clean data sets for reconciliation, automated regulatory reporting, data preparation for robotic process automation, systems and data migration, warranty analytics, and much more. Our self-service platform was designed with ease of use and flexibility in mind. Regardless of experience in data analytics or where you're accessing data from, you can use Monarch. Easily extract and organize data from structured and unstructured sources, with no coding or scripting required. Convert PDFs, spreadsheets, and text files into actionable rows and columns using Monarch's intuitive interface and library of pre-built functions. And use fully automated processes that allow you to reuse data preparation workflows again and again, freeing analysts to spend more time generating value from data without compromising on accuracy or quality. Monarch is more than just a data transformation tool. It is an engine for insight and innovation. Start your free trial today and discover how Monarch can bring agility, efficiency, and savings to your analytics and your bottom line.